Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and apply eToro promo codes when signing up, so you can unlock bonuses or special offers right from the start. First, let's talk about finding promo codes. eToro doesn't always share them publicly on their main site, but you can usually find them through eToro's official promotions page, email newsletters, or referral campaigns where existing users share their invite link. Sometimes affiliates and partners also provide limited-time promo codes, so it's worth checking those out. Once you've got a valid code, head over to the eToro sign-up page. Fill in your basic details to create your new account. Registration or deposit process, you'll see an option to enter a promo code. Type in the code exactly as it was given to you, no extra spaces or characters, and confirm. After that, you just need to complete the usual steps. Verify your account, make your first deposit, and meet any requirements outlined in the promotion. Once everything checks out, your bonus, whether it's free cash, trading credits, or other rewards, will be credited to your account. A quick tip: always read the terms and conditions, because promos can vary by region, deposit amount, or account type. And that's it. Super simple. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more finance and investing tutorials, and drop a comment if you've ever used an eToro promo code before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.